Water is simple, yet it powers every living system. Hi there, I am Mark from Mentivia. Welcome to our deep dive into water, the most extraordinary and essential molecule for life on Earth. Its simple chemical structure, H₂O, belies a complex set of properties that make it utterly indispensable for every living organism. Today, we'll explore exactly why water is so vital, from regulating our internal temperatures to powering the very chemical reactions that sustain us. Before we delve into its roles, let's quickly recall water's unique nature. It's a polar molecule, meaning it has a slight positive charge on its hydrogen atoms and a slight negative charge on its oxygen atom. This polarity allows water molecules to form hydrogen bonds with each other, creating a network that gives water its remarkable properties. These bonds are the secret behind its life-sustaining abilities. One of water's most critical roles is in temperature regulation. Water has an exceptionally high specific heat capacity. This means it can absorb and release large amounts of heat energy with only a minimal change in its own temperature. For living organisms, this property is a lifesaver, allowing us to maintain a stable internal body temperature, a state known as homeostasis, despite external temperature fluctuations. Beyond just absorbing heat, water also helps us cool down. It has a high heat of vaporization, meaning a lot of energy is required to turn liquid water into a gas. When water evaporates from our skin as sweat or from plant leaves through transpiration, it carries away a significant amount of heat energy, effectively cooling the organism. This evaporative cooling is a vital mechanism for preventing overheating. Water is often called the universal solvent due to its powerful ability to dissolve a wide variety of substances. Its polarity allows it to interact with and pull apart many ionic compounds and other polar molecules. This is fundamental for life, as it means essential nutrients like sugars, salts, and amino acids can be dissolved and transported throughout an organism. This solvent capability directly supports the transport and circulation of vital substances. In our bodies, water is the primary component of blood, carrying oxygen, nutrients, hormones, and immune cells to every corner of our system. It also efficiently collects metabolic waste products like urea, transporting them to the kidneys for excretion. Without water, this intricate delivery and removal system would simply cease to function. Water is also an indispensable medium for nearly all biochemical reactions within living cells. Take digestion, for example. Many large food molecules, like proteins and complex carbohydrates, are broken down into smaller, absorbable units through a process called hydrolysis. Hydrolysis literally means water splitting, as water molecules are added to break the chemical bonds in these larger molecules. Beyond digestion, water provides the aqueous environment necessary for countless other cellular functions. From the intricate steps of cellular respiration to the synthesis of new molecules, water ensures that reactants can move freely, interact, and that products can be transported away. It acts as a lubricant, a shock absorber, and a participant in the very chemistry that defines life. In summary, water's polarity and hydrogen bonding give it unique properties that make it the foundation of life. Its ability to regulate temperature, dissolve, and transport vital substances, and act as a medium for essential chemical reactions ensures that living organisms can thrive. From the smallest cell to the largest ecosystem, water is truly the most vital molecule, underpinning every aspect of biological existence. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out mentivia.com for more educational content. There you'll find completely free e-learnings, videos, and articles designed to deepen your understanding across a wide range of topics. And if you'd like to keep learning with us, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We've got plenty more coming your way.